Cliff jumping can be an exhilarating adventure that combines the thrill of jumping off cliffs into natural water bodies with the beauty of scenic landscapes. In India, there are several stunning locations where you can experience the adrenaline rush of cliff jumping. Here are a few places to consider. Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. 1. Known as the adventure capital of India, Rishikesh offers a perfect blend of spirituality and adventure. The Ganges River flowing through the Himalayan foothills provides a breathtaking backdrop for cliff jumping. Many adventure camps along the river organize cliff jumping excursions. Rishikesh Cliff Jumping Experience. Location: Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, along the Ganges River. Adventure highlights: scenic setting. The Himalayan foothills and the meandering Ganges River create a stunning natural backdrop for cliff jumping. The serene atmosphere enhances the overall adventure experience. Variety of heights. Depending on your comfort level and experience, there are cliffs of varying heights to choose from. Beginners can start with lower jumps, while more experienced jumpers can try higher cliffs for a greater adrenaline rush. Adventure camps. Numerous adventure camps and operators along the riverbanks organize cliff jumping excursions. These camps not only provide the necessary safety gear but also offer guidance and supervision, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Combination of activities. Rishikesh is not just about cliff jumping, it's a hub for a variety of adventure sports. You can combine your cliff jumping experience with activities like whitewater rafting, trekking, and camping. Spiritual vibes. Rishikesh is known for its spiritual aura, and cliff jumping here provides a unique blend of adventure and serenity. After the thrill of jumping off cliffs, you can relax by the riverbanks, meditate, or explore the spiritual side of the town. Tips for a safe experience. 1. Always follow the guidance of experienced instructors and guides. 2. Wear appropriate safety gear, including life jackets and helmets. 3. Be aware of the water conditions and check the depth before jumping. 4. Listen to safety briefings carefully and adhere to the rules set by adventure operators. Rishikesh's cliff jumping adventure is a perfect way to embrace nature, experience an adrenaline rush, and find a harmonious balance between adventure and spirituality. It's an excellent destination for those seeking both excitement and a connection with the natural beauty of the Himalayan region. Vikings Cliff, Goa. 1. Goa is famous for its beautiful beaches, and Vikings Cliff is a popular spot for cliff jumping. The cliff overlooks the Arabian Sea, providing a unique and exciting experience. Make sure to check the water conditions and safety measures before attempting any jumps. Vikings Cliff, Goa Cliff Jumping Adventure. Location: Vikings Cliff is situated in Goa, overlooking the Arabian Sea. Adventure highlights: breathtaking views. Vikings Cliff provides stunning panoramic views of the Arabian Sea. The contrast between the rocky cliffs and the deep blue sea creates a picturesque setting for an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Cliff heights. The cliffs at Vikings Cliff come in various heights, catering to both beginners and experienced cliff jumpers. You can choose the level of thrill that suits your comfort and experience. Sea excitement. The Arabian Sea adds a unique dimension to the cliff jumping experience. The salty sea breeze, the sound of crashing waves, and the vastness of the ocean enhance the overall adventure. Adventurous atmosphere. The entire experience is complemented by the vibrant and adventurous atmosphere of Goa. After the jumps, you can relax on the beach, enjoy local cuisine, and explore the lively culture of this popular tourist destination. Safety measures. 1. Before attempting any jumps, ensure that you check the water conditions and confirm the safety measures in place. 2. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including life jackets and helmets, to ensure a safe landing. 3. Be aware of any guidelines or rules provided by local authorities or adventure operators. 4. If you're new to cliff jumping, consider going with experienced guides or joining organized tours to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Vikings Cliff in Goa is a fantastic destination for thrill seekers looking to combine the excitement of cliff jumping with the laid-back and vibrant atmosphere of Goa's beaches. Remember to prioritize safety, enjoy the stunning views, and embrace the adrenaline rush that comes with leaping into the Arabian Sea from these impressive cliffs. Netrani Island, Karnataka. 1. Also known as Pigeon Island, Netrani is a small island off the Karnataka coast. It's a great destination for both snorkeling and cliff jumping. The crystal clear waters of the Arabian Sea make the experience even more thrilling. Netrani Island, Karnataka snorkeling and cliff jumping adventure. Location: Netrani Island is located off the coast of Karnataka, near Murudeshwar, in the Arabian Sea. Adventure highlights. Island setting: Netrani Island is a small, heart-shaped island known for its rich marine life and pristine surroundings. The island is uninhabited, making it an ideal spot for those seeking a secluded and adventurous escape. Snorkeling paradise. The crystal clear waters surrounding Netrani Island make it an excellent destination for snorkeling. Explore vibrant coral reefs, diverse marine species, and underwater landscapes that contribute to a memorable snorkeling experience. Cliff jumping thrills. In addition to snorkeling, Netrani Island offers exciting opportunities for cliff jumping. The cliffs around the island vary in height, providing options for both beginners and seasoned jumpers. The thrill of jumping into the clear waters of the Arabian Sea surrounded by the island's natural beauty is truly exhilarating. Marine diversity. The underwater world around Netrani is teeming with marine life, including colorful fish, rays, and various coral species. Snorkelers can witness the vibrant biodiversity beneath the surface. Tips for the adventure. 1. Ensure you have the necessary snorkeling and safety equipment. 2. Check the weather conditions before planning your visit, and be aware of any guidelines or restrictions. 3. If you're new to cliff jumping, seek guidance from experienced guides or instructors. 4. Respect the marine environment by following responsible snorkeling practices. Netrani Island offers a perfect blend of underwater exploration and adrenaline-pumping cliff jumping. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, adventure seeker, or someone looking for a unique coastal experience, Netrani Island in Karnataka provides an unforgettable adventure in the heart of the Arabian Sea. Krishna River, Maharashtra. 1. The Krishna River, especially around the Y area, offers cliffs of varying heights for cliff jumping. Surrounded by lush greenery, it provides a serene environment coupled with an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Krishna River, Y, Maharashtra cliff jumping adventure. Location. Y, a town in the Satara district of Maharashtra, is situated along the Krishna River. Adventure highlights. River setting. The Krishna River offers a picturesque backdrop for cliff jumping. The lush greenery surrounding the river enhances the natural beauty of the area, creating a serene environment for adventure seekers. Variety of cliff heights. The cliffs along the Krishna River in Y come in varying heights, providing options for both beginners and experienced cliff jumpers. Whether you are looking for a mild thrill or a more daring experience, there are suitable spots to cater to different preferences. Adventurous escape. Y is not only known for its cliffs but also for its cultural and historical significance. The town is dotted with temples and architectural gems, providing an interesting contrast to the adrenaline-pumping adventure along the river. Serene environment. The tranquil surroundings of the Krishna River contribute to a peaceful and immersive experience. After the excitement of cliff jumping, you can relax by the riverbanks, enjoy the natural beauty, and take in the tranquility of the area. Safety considerations. 1. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear, including life jackets and helmets. 2. Ensure that you are aware of the water conditions and depth before attempting any jumps. 3. Follow any guidelines or instructions provided by local authorities or adventure operators. 4. If you're new to cliff jumping, consider seeking guidance from experienced guides who are familiar with the area. The Krishna River near Y, Maharashtra, offers a delightful blend of nature, adventure, and cultural exploration. Whether you are looking for an adrenaline rush or a peaceful escape surrounded by green landscapes, the cliffs along the Krishna River provide a unique and memorable experience in the heart of Maharashtra. Hampi, Karnataka. 1. Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its ancient ruins and picturesque landscapes. The Tungabhadra River, flowing through Hampi, offers cliffs of varying heights for cliff jumping. It's a unique way to explore the historical and natural wonders of the region. Hampi, Karnataka cliff jumping adventure. Location. Hampi is a historic town in Karnataka, situated on the banks of the Tungabhadra River. Adventure highlights. Historical significance. Hampi is renowned for its ancient ruins and historical significance, with numerous temples, monuments, and structures dating back to the Vijayanagara Empire. Exploring the rich history of the area before or after your cliff jumping adventure adds a cultural dimension to your visit. Tungabhadra River Cliffs. The Tungabhadra River, flowing through Hampi, provides a unique setting for cliff jumping. The cliffs along the river come in varying heights, offering options for both beginners and seasoned jumpers. The views of the historical ruins from the riverbanks add to the overall experience. Scenic landscapes. The landscapes around Hampi are characterized by boulder-strewn hills, lush greenery, and the meandering Tungabhadra River. Cliff jumping here allows you to appreciate the natural beauty of the region while enjoying an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Cultural exploration. In addition to cliff jumping, take the time to explore the temples, archaic structures, and Hampi's unique atmosphere. The Virupaksha Temple, Vittala Temple, and other historical sites provide a fascinating glimpse into the town's rich past. Tips for a memorable experience. 1. Combine your cliff jumping adventure with a visit to the historical sites of Hampi for a well-rounded experience. 2. Check the safety measures in place and always follow guidelines provided by local authorities or adventure operators. 3. Wear appropriate safety gear, including life jackets and helmets, during cliff jumping activities. 4. Engage with experienced guides to ensure a safe and enjoyable adventure. Hampi's Tungabhadra river cliffs offer an extraordinary blend of history, nature, and adrenaline. Whether you are an adventure seeker or a history enthusiast, Hampi provides a one-of-a-kind experience that allows you to explore the region's cultural and natural wonders in an exhilarating way. Nagfani, Maharashtra. 1. Nagfani, also known as Duke's Nose, is a cliff located near Lonavala. It's a popular spot for trekking and cliff jumping. The panoramic views of the surrounding valleys add to the overall experience. Nagfani, Duke's Nose, Maharashtra trekking and cliff jumping adventure. Location: Nagfani is situated near Lonavala, a hill station in the western Ghats of Maharashtra. Adventure highlights: trekking excursion. Nagfani is renowned for its trekking trails, and the journey to the top is an adventure in itself. The trek offers a mix of challenging paths and scenic beauty, making it an ideal experience for trekking enthusiasts. Panoramic views. Once you reach the top of Nagfani, you are rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and hills. The vantage point provides an excellent backdrop for both trekking and cliff jumping. Cliff jumping thrills. The cliffs at Nagfani are known for cliff jumping activities. Adventure seekers can experience the thrill of leaping off the cliffs into the open air, adding an adrenaline-pumping dimension to their trekking adventure. Spectacular landscapes. The western Ghats surrounding Nagfani are known for their lush greenery and scenic landscapes. The natural beauty of the region enhances the overall trekking and cliff jumping experience. Tips for a safe and enjoyable adventure. 1. Ensure you are well prepared for the trek with appropriate footwear, clothing, and water. 2. If you plan to engage in cliff jumping, verify the safety measures in place and adhere to guidelines provided by local authorities or adventure operators. 3. Follow the trekking trail carefully and be mindful of the natural surroundings. Nagfani, Duke's Nose, offers a perfect blend of trekking challenges, stunning landscapes, and the thrill of cliff jumping. Whether you are an avid trekker or someone looking for an adrenaline rush against the backdrop of nature's beauty, Nagfani provides a memorable adventure in the western Ghats of Maharashtra.